get started. So today we are going to look at another extension. It's a beautiful extension that I always like to use. So by default, every color has this square-like shape on the left side of it, and it's actually filled with the proper color that the hex code is referring to, right? This is sort of some kind of sea green shade, so it's full with sea green. Now it's actually hard to visualize it like this, and there's actually one way to do it, which is just take your mouse to the hex code and just click it, and after that, if you will hover over it, it would open up this beautiful looking palette for you to visualize it. That's one way to do it, but I do not want to visualize it using that. I just do not want to click it and hover over it because I'm lazy. Anyway, I'm going to show you an extension that will help you guys because it helps me too. So it's actually called Colorize. Just go and install it. I already have installed it. As you can see, I'm just going to enable it. Lovely, there you go. As you can see, the moment I have enabled it, my color started showing on top of the hex code. So that was this beautiful extension called Colorize, which I used to visualize my colors inside the CSS. So that's it for this video, guys.